we're standing in La Cité Francophone right now, and this is kind of the City of Lights is what we call it. And this is the third year that we've adopted the Flying Canoë Festival, and it happens throughout Mill Creek Ravine, Rutherford Yard, Rutherford School, and here at La Cité Francophone. So we have programming down in the Ravine by Native Counseling Services of Alberta, as well as the Dave Cunningham Family Band. Roger Dallaire is our storyteller there. We have a Métis base camp.
Just put in your block and jams. And ladies, bow, gents bow under, swing your basket, go like thunder. Circle 8. And ladies, put in your lily white hand.
As well as Dylan Toymaker, along with the Grant Mac fine arts student, have done light installations throughout the trail. And we're just kind of encouraging people to embrace winter in Edmonton and enjoy inside and outdoor activities. There's also this beautiful ice slide outside.
There you go. Got it.
Oh yeah.
La légende de la chasse-galerie is the legend of the chasse-galerie, the flying canoe. And it's kind of a mix of Métis, French-Canadian stories.
That's a one out with holding you down. You're shouting for all our friends to say, I don't wanna go through this Facebook drama, so I press delete.
There's this saying that says that these voyageurs make a pact with the devil to get home for New Year's, and he enchants their canoe.
On cherche la cité, on cherche la cité en lumière.
And he makes these rules so they can't hit church steeples, they can't fight, they can't swear, and they can't drink. And so these voyageurs on their journey home, of course, they start breaking all of these rules. And the legend says that the devil took their soul. And if you look at the moon at just the right time, you can see the shadow of the canoe with the voyageurs flying the night sky.
Cité Francophone Volant, the regatta of the flying canoes. Aren't they beautiful, those canoes? I love them.